Alright, since my hand is incapacitated and I blew sound on that, I really want to push it. We're not driving that. We're going to jump in with Joe. This is Joe and his Hyper MRS. I don't know why I don't like calling these MR2s.
It's an MR2 Spider Dog.
Yeah, I know. Technically, it is for sure an MR2.
Technically, it's a fake Lotus now.
Well, yeah, it's a little Lotus. So, Joe and I are going to go out in a session. Now, Joe and I are also big burly gentlemen.
In a tiny little clown car.
In a little bitty car, but we are going to go.
Slip this in and we can chat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can...
That way I can hear the screams in real time.
Oh, no screams, man. Alright, there we go. You got comm?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Yep.
Technology.
Oh, man. So, I mean, if that's any indication, Joe might give me a wild ride, but I'm going to do like your mother always says.
And pray.
Keep your hands to yourself. I got my seatbelt on, and the rest is just up to Joe. What is your personal best in this car so far?
With the sound limit, 41.
41, goddamn.
The car should do 38s if we didn't have to lift for sound.
Holy smokes. Okay.
High 38. We're not going to see any of that today.
High 38s.
With us both in the car, I'm thinking 43s, 42s would be pretty good. But you'll see, like, we got to do a big lift for sound boost because
Gotcha.
this makes a lot of intake noise.
Yeah. That's the thing about normally aspirated cars. Well, also 90 dB is a really rough dB restriction.
5 dB is lower than the street, which is why it's stupid.
Right, right.
But, you know, that's what happens when people next move this to a racetrack.
Right. So, I mean, aside from that, it's a very tough dB to meet. And with normally aspirated cars, they're trying to get everything they can out of their engines, and they're screaming to the moon. So,
JoeM wristband.
all right, so here we go, out lap.
I'm gonna let it warm up. It's still not warmed up yet before I start hammering on it.
This I found to be very interesting.
Want to turn two?
But all the sim racing and the light steering wheel crossing up it kind of gave me the understanding early that it was going to be a tough braking zone. Out to the apron. I just wasn't too sure if I was comfortable enough to go out that far. Yeah.
That's my boss.
Oh, really? Nice. Okay, this car feels just like the RX-8. The over-rotation can be solved with the throttle input. Oh, he's on this shit. He's on no point balls. Oversteering and understeering, he's having a good time. Yeah, I was like, that was second gear or fourth?
I wanted third, but I'm just
oh, okay. down into the braking zone. That's amazing. the inside. He's still working the wheel. It's very interesting to see how much demand you take from your equipment.
I'm not pushing it that much right now.
Right.
I don't want to kill us.
Right, but I think I have too much of a smooth mentality. Like when I'm driving the RX-8, I see just being in the seat where I can take at least a second off if I drive like this. Like if I really cram. Yeah, and I would for sure need those brake pads. Because what I have now, I'm rolling off, being very smooth, and then rolling out, and then applying throttle, because this car seems to handle very similar to the RX-8.
This track is a lot of braking. I hope you're recording, because I forgot to start.
Oh yeah, I'm recording.
My boss is gonna want to see that footage. That was hilarious.
Yeah, I'm recording for sure.
Yeah, this car is a little too rotating right now. We got to fix the suspension some. I'm working with Annex suspension, and my buddy Tony, we're getting it dialed. You know, it's going to be even quicker once we get it sorted.
Okay.
But yeah.
So what I just experienced and felt there, the RX-8 does. So I have to dial.
Are you still on those RT615s?
No, I'm on 660s right now, but all the suspension is the same.
Yeah.
So I have to laser dial in the braking. So how you were moving in on your brakes and then you roll out back on throttle, I had to go in straight, roll out, tuck apex, and then get on throttle like real quick, how you were to counteract the oversteer. And the car beamed straight down.
I mean, obviously remember too, being MR, you know, I got that exit squat.
Yes.
I can get that squat down. But it moves pretty good with two big ass guys in it.
Dude, two meaty men was doing work in this little frog.
Yep. 43.5 at a hot point today with us both in the car. It's not bad. With that big ass lift too.
Yes, that lift is a butt hurt. Dude, when I saw it,
and because it's offline too, like getting back over, your rhythm's all fucked up.
Yeah, jumping back over to go up the hill. Yeah.
So
very interesting, dude. Yeah, you cram.
I have been sleeping on it. I've been working on my driving for a long time.
Yeah, that's good.
Drift skills are still there.
Yes. The fact that you're still standing on throttle, because that's what,
for all the kids watching, drifting is the way.
It literally is when you grip. Like if you grip as well, like if you just let the hand, like you're not a hands off the wheel drifter.
Nope.
And that's what I always talk about, people that do the cat hands and shit. It's not a dominant position in the driver's seat.
You always need to be in control.
In control all the time. So when things like that go on, and like you saw in the video,
that's why you notice too that there's not a lot of time where if I'm not on the brake, I'm on the gas.
On the gas, yes, exactly.
Because you need to always be in control of that weight moving around.
Exactly. Yeah, I had quite a few big oversteers on the cold tire lap, and it was just like, you know what, F this, throttle, you know, handle it, and it's definitely a benefit being able to be a good drifter. But
you didn't get sick on me, right?
No, hell no, dog.
I know sometimes people don't like to be passenger that are driving.
Yeah, I don't do good passenger, but it's like roller coasters. I hated roller coasters. I was terrified of them. But when I started looking through them, it was over. Roller coasters were no longer exciting. And so that's kind of what this is. It's fun because I know what type of time you're on and where you're gonna go.
Yes, ma'am.
So I was able to anticipate what you were gonna do as well as I'm looking through it. So yeah, no, that was a good groove. Whew, man, this is good. What is this?
Huh?
What is this?
I can't hear you. What are
these? Okay.
It's a motorcycle guy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I was gonna say this looks like motorcycle shit.
Chatterbox.
Okay, I got to get it.
Yeah.
I got a mic in here for my GoPro and stuff, but yeah, I for sure need. Well, you know, whenever John makes it to the track the same damn time I do, then we can talk while we're driving.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a blast. Oh. This little thing jams. So it's essentially a Lotus.
Yeah, it's just got the crappy suspension of a Lotus. It has crappy suspension unlike a Lotus.
Right.
Lotus has double A arm. This is Toyota McPherson all around. But 2ZZ, 6-speed, you know, just shy of 200 horse. Normally, you know, 2,400, 2,500 pounds with me in it, with you and me in it, 2,700 pounds.
Yeah. Dude, I appreciate it, man. You guys can find Joe. I'll put his Instagram on here. Like I said, he is a point of contact here at Speed SF, and he can be your instructor. So he could jump in your car, take you around, give you the finer points in your vehicle. So very cool way to experience the track.
You know, the vest is a little small on you.
It's fine. It's what I have to do to be allowed in the car. Lex, I'm just happy you back out. You know that.
Hell yeah, dude.
Back as teammates a long time ago.
I know, right? We were drifting at that point, but we're gripping now. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for us today here at the track. I think that might be it for the video. I'll check you guys back on the later side.